Hi, my name is Mike.
And I'm Marcus.
And we are here to describe the Geek Week, the Data Center Geek Week. So what is the end goal of this Geek Week?
The end goal is to build a private cloud, also called Fabric, which has connectivity to public clouds and makes it possible for your developers or your users to do self-service, to create their own infrastructure, and for you to sleep better during the night.
That's nice. And the private cloud, or the Fabric, consists of a couple of components. So the first thing we will start working with is the management stack. The management stack consists of Windows Server and together with System Center. It's already installed, so we don't need to waste time on that, but you need to configure it, and we're going to show you how.
And then we also need storage to store all the virtual machines and everything on. And we always use scale-out file servers from Microsoft, but together with either your existing SAN, a new SAN, or a JBOD solution.
And storage is not enough, so we also need compute. Therefore, we need hypervisors. We're going to use Hyper-V, and we're going to use System Center Virtual Machine Manager to pixie deploy them to physical machines.
And we tie all of this together with the help of networking. So we use 10 gigabit or 40 gigabit or 56 gigabit networking to get the speed and low latency of the whole solution.
And that will build the Fabric domain. So in the Fabric domain, we have all these components. But let me ask you a question here. We mentioned the word Geek Week. What's a Geek Week?
A Geek Week is a concept we have at Lab Center, which consists of a 5-day training where we as the instructors live in the same hotel as the students. So we see you in the morning, we see you during the day, and even in the evenings. It's a 5 days. And 24 hours, 24 by 5.
Yeah, we try to spend all the spare time with things like designing, architecturing, and trying to help you so you will get better prepared when you get back home, so you can more or less build the same thing that you learned during the Geek Week.
And one of the best things with this is that it doesn't matter if you're a small company, or if you're a large enterprise, or if you're a hosting provider. You build the solution in the same way anyway. It's just more or less of everything.
Yeah, it's just the question of how big would you like to scale this out, or how small would you like to have it. So we encourage you to sign up for this Geek Week, and we welcome you.
See you soon.
See you. And by the way, during the Geek Week, we also need some hardware, which makes the Geek Week kind of unique. This is the switch we're going to run. We're going to use this. It's going to be VLAN tagged, and it does have the abilities and the functions as an enterprise class switch, which is nice. What's that?
This is the HP microserver we're going to use, which has the full functionality of a real server with out-of-board management. You can do basically everything with it. So we use it during the lab to do all the advanced stuff.
And they actually fit together. So you can see this is the switch. We call it a hat because it works like a hat on this microserver. Look, it's so beautiful.
And wife-friendly because it's quite quiet.
Yes, that's true. I have 10 of them at home, and it works.
So, see you.